Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are superb and staying safely at your home. Today I am going to discuss about the alphabets. We already learned about the capital letters. We already learned about the alphabets. Okay? Today we will play a game. Okay? What is this? You have to find and circle the capital letters. Okay? At first, you have to remember the capital letters A to Z. Okay? It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay? We already learned about these. Today we will play a game. Students, look at the board. Here I write some of these letters and you have to tell which letter is this. Okay? Which letter is this? Yes, this is B. Now tell me, which letter is this? Yes, this is E. It's G. Which letter is this? Yes, this is K. Now tell me, which letter is this? This is M. Okay? Clear? You already learned about these letters. Now you have to find the correct letters from the letter serial. Look at the board. You have to find out this letter from these letters. Okay? Which letter is this? This is B. You have to find out B. Okay? Which letter is this? Is it B? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes, it is B. Now you have to circle this letter. It is B. Okay? Next. Students, which letter is this? Can you identify? Yes, it is F. Now tell me, where is F? Is it F? No, it's M. Is it? No. Which letter is this? This is O. Is it F? Yes, it is F. It's look like same. Now you have to circle this letter. Okay, done? Next. Students, look. Which letter is this? Yes, this is G. Now you have to identify where is G. Is it G? No, it is P. Is it? No, it is L. Is it? No. Is it? No, it is K. Is it? Yes, it looks like G. So, it's the correct letter. Now you have to circle this. Okay, done? Next. Students, tell me, which letter is this? Yes, this is K. Now, find out where is K? Is it K? No, it's O. Is it? No, it's A. Is it? No, it is B. Is it? Yes, it is K. Look, the two letters look like same. So, it's the correct letter. Now, you have to circle this letter. Okay? Clear? Clear? Now look. Which letter is this? This is A. Now find out where is A. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is this A? No. Is it? No. Yes, it is A. Now you have to circle this letter. Next, which letter is this? This is D. Now find out where is D. Which letter is this? This is Q. It's not D. Is it? No. Is it? No. It's U. Is it? No. Is this D? Yes. This is D. Now it is F. Find out where is F. Is it F? No, it's E. Is it? No, it's G. Is it? it's I. Is it F? Yes, it is F. Next, which letter is this? This is H. Now find out where is H. Is this H? No, it's T. Is this H? No, it's I. Is this H? Yes, this is H. You have to circle this letter. Now look, which letter is this? This is K. Where is K? Is this K? No, it's Q. Is this? No. Is it? No, it's N. Is this? No, it's X. Is this K? Yes, this is K. Next, which letter is this? This is O. Where is O? Is it O? No, it's C. Is it? No, it's U. Is this O? No, it's W. Is this O? Yes, this is O. Now you have to circle the correct one. Clear? We play again with these alphabets. Okay? I hope you enjoy this class. Students, that's all for today. You all watch this video and enjoy. Keep practicing. Stay safely at your home. Okay? Bye.